Top 5 Most Dangerous Bacteria on Earth. Bacteria are disease-causing pathogens, and some of them cause deadly illness and disease in human beings. Each year millions of people die because of these microscopic living beings. The bacteria multiply in human bodies and take advantages of any weakness they find in your system. Here is the list of top 10 deadliest bacteria that can prove to be the most lethal of all. Number 5, E. coli. We are starting the list of most dangerous bacteria with E. coli, the most common bacteria found in human body. Infamous E. coli inhabits in the intestine of the healthy individuals. Some of their strains are detrimental to human beings, especially to very young or immune-compromised or elderly people. One of the rare strain of E. coli results in bleeding in the intestine. Number 4, Clostridium botulinum. Botulinum toxin attacks the nervous system of the affected individual and causes trouble in respiration, swallowing, speaking, vision, and causes overall physical weakness. This results in an inability to breathe, since the toxin causes paralysis in the breathing muscles and the person gradually dies. Number 3, Salmonella. This is a deadly strain of bacteria and affects in two forms, the enterica and the typhi. The well-known typhoid fever is caused by Salmonella typhi. The last year alone it was responsible for 216,000 deaths. The contamination is spread through feces and urine of the infected person. Some people are asymptomatic carriers, for example, famous patient Mary, who was responsible for infecting 53 people and died in quarantine. She was the first asymptomatic carrier to be quarantined in the US. Number 2, Vibrio cholera. This is the bacteria responsible for well-known disease cholera. The disease is caused when humans take water infested with human feces. The incubation lasts about 1 to 7 days. The disease shows symptoms of chronic diarrhea, dehydration leading to much loss of water and salts. The loss should be made good. The vaccines are available but confer limited protection, and hygiene is the only solution to prevent it. Number 1, Tetanus. This is the very popular one. The good news is that there are vaccines available for it. For people who have not got the vaccine should get the vaccine in case if they get injured and there are chances that dirt-carrying spores might have entered their system. The disease shows treble symptoms such as lockjaw and terrible spasms. If any of these symptoms are observed, then the patient needs to be immediately shifted to ICU to increase the chances of recovery. In cities, it is no longer a problem due to awareness, yet each year 58,000 babies die from it, and several adults either die or are disabled because of it. Many patients are paralyzed with curare in an effort to stop the bone-breaking spasms. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.